Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of signing on the application of Rave. First of all, you will go to settings. Here on this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Rave and you will enter here. In this window, you will click on this page of permissions. You will find this window here. You can access for all the permissions, the permission of camera. You will click here, allow only while using the app. You can choose here the permission of notifications, and all these permissions you can allow them. Then you will find this page here. You will scrolling down, you click on first stop. Here you will click on OK. You will go to storage. You will find this page. You will click on clear cache. After that, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Rave. You will write the name of this app here. You will go to this application. You will find this sign here in the blue color. You will find update right in here and you will click to update your app. After that, you will go to the application of Rave. You will click here. You will wait a moment until this first page appears to you, and you will click here on this sign. You can choose any account to sign in the application of Rave. For example, I will sign with Google account, and here they will show you the email that you will sign in with this application, and you will wait a moment. Connection as you see here. Then you will allow the access or allow the permission of location. You will click here while using the app, and that's all. That's how you can sign in, or how you can fix the problem of signing on the application of Rave, as you see. And you can go to everywhere you want in this app here. So that's it. Don't forget to support us.